Mini juicer. Mini stitch sew. Vacuum sealer. Can cooler. Portable mini electric juicer. The magnetic sensitive switch is ultra safe to use and clean. The juicer cup will stop working when the body and bottom are separated. 380 milliliters capacity mini blender. The 6-blade portable blender has stronger power than the traditional 4 mini blades, which can easily make juices and vegetables into amazing smoothies without leaving fruit pieces and ice. Food-grade material. USB juicer cup comes with a built-in 2000 mAh rechargeable battery, which can be easily charged. 3 hours charging for about 12 times of use. 1-button blending/cleaning. Electric can cooler fast table heating cooling freezer cup Smart 2 in 1 Cooloers. An electric can cooler is a portable solution for chilling or heating your favorite beverages. With a temperature range of 5 to 60 degrees Celsius, you can enjoy a refreshing cold drink or a warm beverage at your desired temperature. Versatile compatibility. User-friendly display. Reliable performance and wide voltage range. Vacuum sealer packing machine. Reduce waste, preserve nutrients, flavor, and longevity of your food with the easy use of a vacuum system. This vacuum sealer machine will not only help you save food but also help you save time and money. Removes most of the oxygen and helps in reduce the speed of oxidation and the growth of microorganisms and mold, which causes bacteria. Best by choice for a smooth and organized kitchen. The vacuum food sealer with an improved program provides quick sealing in 6 to 11 seconds, 6 to 9 seconds for dry mode and 8 to 11 seconds for moist mode. This food packing machine is good for continuous working without taking breaks between each round of vac seal. Designed uniquely with a built-in cutter for creating customized vacuum bags. An advanced control panel with an LED indicator light provides convenience for identifying the actual working status. The vacuum sealer machine installed with a high-quality suction pump provides up to 60 kPa suction force. The moist/dry mode setting helps in the optimized sealing of different foods. The instant sealing system in the food sealing machine prevents delicate foods from crushing. Automatic food sealer with 3 mm sealing width supports perfectly for sous vide cooking and avoids splitting during boiling. Ideal gift choice for your family and friends. Portable handheld sewing machine. Low noise, not disturbing, compact, and convenient. One-handed operation, easy to operate. 2 kinds of power supply, battery power supply, adapter charging power supply. Small and convenient. Easy to use. Needle screw. Adjust the length of the needle. Crimping film. Adjust the tightness of the needle. Pressure board. Fix the position of clothes to prevent deviation and skip stitches.